How I Braved Anu Auntie and Co-Founded a $1 Million Company is an awesome book. Circumstances in the book are something that happens in your life as well. The characters that you'll find in your own group, if you look around, you'll find a Guju boy, you'll find a Devaka, you'll find like all these characters in your group itself. Every parent wants their child to be a doctor or an engineer, and you'll probably have to fight a lot to get what you want. And this book shows you that you can actually do that and you can get to where you want and you can fulfill your dreams. Very entertaining, very hilarious. A lot of people have actually got inspired by the book and are wanting to start their own companies and be entrepreneurs. So the book is really inspiring.
Hi, my name is Ruksha. I'm doing fashion designing at Vogue Institute of Fashion Technology. This book is one of the books I've read after a really long time. In the book, it's brought out really well that you should take the risk of deciding what you want to do. Because in the end, if you really love doing something, I don't think anyone can not be successful. You definitely will succeed. This book has a lot of things that just you can't stop laughing. I read it when I was on my way to college, and everyone's looking at me, and I'm just laughing, and everyone's just staring at like, what's wrong with her? You just can keep laughing, and I wouldn't mind reading it all over again just to laugh because it's so well written.
Also appeals to people from all age group because yesterday my uncle who came down to Bangalore, he saw the book at home. He picked it up and started reading, and he liked it so much that he continued reading. And then he tells me that the book brings back old memories.
This book is a love letter from a very passionate entrepreneur to all those people who are sitting at home, who have great ideas and are waiting to take their first leap.
You read it thinking that it's just a fun book, but then by the end of it, you're just like, wow, I learned so much.
Brave all the Anu aunties of your life, and one day you'll be proud of yourself.
That it's a great way to know that you should be able to take risks. I think that's a really, really big thing about this book. It tells you that don't be scared.
You can, see yourself in the book.
In the end, when I turn back and look at my life, I don't have any regrets. I want to live a life that I wanted to live, not that someone else wanted me to live.
Inspiration to a lot of people here to follow their dreams.
I would say don't give a fuck about anything, like as he says always.
Yes, Varun, I love your book.
A must read.